All right, so in this example, we have that the mean is 29 and the standard deviation is 2 minutes. The difficult part here, though, is that we need to figure out what are the values such that we have a probability of 0.75 in the middle of our normal distribution. So for this, I've drawn a normal curve. All right, so let me pull that up for us to look at. And my normal curve is not great here. Let me see if I can move it over though so you can actually see it. There we go. All right, so notice that we've got the 75% that's the middle of the normal curve. And remember that the normal curve is symmetric. So we've got this 75% in the middle, which means that these two tail areas have to be the remaining 25% or 0.25. So since it's symmetric, we can split 0.25 in half, and each of those remaining areas would be 0.125. 0.25 divided by 2, essentially. So 0.125 is the area of each one of these, and I'm not a very good drawer on paint, but it would be 0.125 right here, and also 0.125 right here. So we want to look up in the body of our table 0.125 and see what the corresponding value for Z star will be right here. Now this one's going to be a negative Z star because of where it lies over here on the left. And this one is simply going to be the positive of what we get for this answer over here. So let's go ahead and look up 0.125 in the body of our table. And I seem to have lost my table. Okay, so here we go. If we look through the body here, 0.125, the closest value is right there, 0.1251. So that corresponds to negative 1.15. All right, so our Z star is negative 1.15. So let's go back now. And let's fill in with our negative 1.15. All right, so Rx star is going to be the mean of 29 plus the Z star of negative 1.15 times 2. And let's just work that out now. That is 29 plus negative 1.15 times 2, which is going to give us negative 2.3. And now if we add those two, our first value is 26.7. Now, we're going to have to do this operation again because our Z star that we had on the right side of our picture is completely symmetric. So we're going to use positive 1.15 to find the other value. So our mean is 29 plus positive 1.15 times 2, which gives us 29 and positive 2.3, or 31.3. So to be in that average, what they're going to consider average 75% of the middle running times, they need to be between 26 minutes and 31.3 minutes.